Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an Expedia account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to come over to expedia.com and sign in and click on the sign in button on the top right hand corner of the page. Now, it doesn't say register, but skip that because clicking on sign in, you're going to be able to register here as well. So as it states here, sign in or create an account. That's why it might be a bit confusing for people if they come to Expedia and they're like, where the hell is the registration button? But it's going to be where the sign in button, click on sign in, and then here we can create an account. So we can sign in with our Google account, and with that, we're going to be registering with our Google account, or we can sign in / register with our email account, or we can use our Apple or Facebook. So for this demonstration, I'm going to sign in and register with my Google account. So now once I've done that, it's going to come back to expedia.com. And if I come over and hover my mouse over my username here, it's going to say hi tutorial, and you've successfully created an account in Expedia.